Hello everyone, this is Manoj. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is the fourth part of our React Redux series, and in this particular video we will talk about Redux Store. So if you can see, store is an immutable object tree in Redux, and a store is a state container which holds the application state. What does it mean? A store is a place where we put our application state. State is what? State is a kind of data. All right. So we put our state or data in the store of Redux. All right. And then we access the same store throughout our application, and it means, for example, there are multiple components, so all are connected to that particular state and they can access it directly. And another thing is, Redux can have only a single store in your application. What does it mean? That is a concept of single source of truth. All right, so we can only have a single store in Redux, and when we create a store, then we need to provide a reducer to that particular store, that we will see when we will do the code for store. As you can see, when a action has been dispatched by view, so it goes to reducer, and then reducer goes to store. Based on that action, he takes data or update the state, and then later on it provides the updated state to the view. So this is how the stores working in the Redux library. So now let's go to Visual Studio Code. So far we have created our reducers and actions. So now let's go to the store folder and create a file. Let's say store.js. So inside this, first we need to import createStore from Redux, and then we need to import our reducer, which is this one. Inside this, the root reducer. So import root reducer from reducers. Now we need to create that store. So const store create store. So as you can see, the intelligence, it needs the first parameter as reducer. So just provide root reducer, and finally export default store. So save this. Now in this we also pass a second parameter, which is Redux DevTools. So we need to pass it with this reducer, the second parameter. It will help us to validate or check the state in the browser. All right, I'll also mention this in the video description, you can find it there. So let's save this, and we are done with our store. Now go to index.js, and here first import provider from React Redux, and also import store from store. Save this, and now we need to wrap this app component inside our provider. So provider, and we also need to pass the store in it. So store equal to store, and put it outside this app. So now you can see the app is in the provider area of that particular store. So what does this mean? So whatever component we will use inside this app, they will have access to this particular store. Alright, so let's save this. So now let's try to run the application and see in the browser if the store is available to this app or not. So let's hit the command npm start. So this will start the development server, and we can see a default application page or the default component in the browser, and then we will also check the state in the developer tools. So you can see the app has been rendered in the browser. So let's open the developer tools, right click on browser and click on inspect, and now you can see this tab, click on it, and now you can see this is the Redux developer tools. So if we click on the state, so inside this state we can see product and data. So as of now this is blank state, so we are successfully able to see the state in the browser. So this is for the store. So in the next video we will create our components so that we can put data in this particular state, and then we can also render the data in a table. Alright, so this is about today's video. I will like it. If you did so, hit the like button, share, comment, and if you need any kind of help you can connect me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is open programmer. You can also find this in channel description. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.